Web application firewalling has seen an element of renaissance in the last few weeks because of recent well-documented hacking activity, particularly by Anonymous and LulzSec. We've seen, since we started the business in 2005, some interest in web application firewalling on the back of a requirement of PCI, payment card industry. But we didn't see ever significant take-up of that. Customers found ways to avoid deploying web application firewalls that were traditionally very expensive products to buy. We've seen some interesting developments coincidentally at the same time as these hacking attempts by vendors producing web application firewalling in the cloud. A good example of a web application firewalling in the cloud would be one of Imperva's sister companies called Encapsula. They are producing a web application firewall in the cloud to avoid the customer's need to buy hardware. This is quite neat because all you do is redirect your DNS records to their service. Their service works in a similar way to other cloud-based services that you're already be familiar with, such as Pastini and Message Labs and other services like that. Redirect your A records across to them. They handle all of your web traffic, clean it, sanitize it, and send it back to your web server to be delivered nice and safely. This is a potentially very interesting area and one we're already investing in and working with Imperva on, because we see this as a very useful technology to work either alongside existing customers who already have WAFs, or to work for customers who can't afford to buy WAF, or for some necessary infilling where there are lots of remote sites where it wouldn't be cost effective to deploy a hardware web application firewall WAF box on its own.